Optic NFL 2093. Here we go. It's been a big day. Alrighty, this is our list. As you can see, this is the one that we used last time. There are no charges in the list. You can pause it there, you can have a look. There's none in there. We're going to randomize it 5 more times. Whoever's on top on the 5th spin will pick up the charges in 2093. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th and final spin, the top team is the Patriots. The Patriot Act will write it out to you 5 times. The Patriots are on top. And the Patriots are with in this one. They're with Nathan Bevan. Congratulations, NB. Here we... Oh, Jesus. Here we go. Guys, there are just... There's one team left in 2175. We'll get her done. I'll wrap up what's been probably a 5-hour breaking day. Oh, Clayton's gone the dirty swap. Here we go. Adams, Brown, Le'Veon Bell, Yeter Grossmatos. Keenan Allen, Mark Andrews, Patrick Mahomes blue. That is 002 of 179. Nice card. T. Higgins on the back, but that is what we're here to celebrate. A beautiful little Patrick Mahomes. Well, that's what I'm thinking, Theo. Like, literally, we've been through the entire case. 2175 sold out. Excellent. Been through the entire case. The lowest number is 5 so far. No golds. A couple of 25s. Kamara, Chubb, Retro Series, Emmitt Smith, Cesar Ruiz. Nice veteran auto, maybe. Like I have... Again, this is my first look. I've not watched any of this. Ridley, McLaurin, Jeff Gladney. There are some products that I watch a lot of when they come out, just to kind of get an understanding. Optic is tried and true. You don't need to watch any. Silver, Kerryon Mawawa Johnson, Harrison Bryant. Orange, Harrison Bryant, and a Cam Akers. Orange rookie of Bryant. Nice Mahomie for the Chiefs. Again, I can't think that that's it. Andrew Thomas. Brown, Breeze, Justin Jefferson for the Vikings, and Devin Asiasi. Oh, JJ, second in the Rookie of the Year voting. Offensive, that is. Nice Brady. DJ Chark. $2.99 for the Bears. Just a red of Jalen Johnson and rated rookie LaMichael Perrine. So far, quiet. Other than the Mahomes, but, you know, I always believe that variants of people could be anyone. Could have been DJ Chark, Matt Ryan, Cam Newton, Stephon Diggs, Jalen Johnson. Tabby upstairs working hard. Me downstairs working hard. DK Metcalf, Gardner Minshew, Silver, Miles Sanders, and Logan Wilson. I always forget that Miles Sanders was a rookie last year. Thielen, Boyd, Rookie Kings, 5 of 10 gold for the Broncos, Jerry Jeudy. Jason Huntley on the back. That's a nice card, a low-numbered rookie auto. That's our first gold of the case. And it's an auto. So our low-numbered stuff has been autographs. Cool card. There's got to be something else. Like, I believe. Sanders, Kerryon Johnson, AJ Epinesa, Disco to 125, 25 of CJ Henderson. Dominated Saquon Barkley, Dalton Keene. Couple packs to go, and then we'll get into 2/175. Albert Okwuegbunam. Silver, Josh Oosh, Terrell Lewis. David Montgomery, Carson Wentz. A Raekwon Davis. Definitely not the rookie you're looking for. To 179 for the Dolphins, Zach Moss. 3 packs to go. Kenny Golladay, Rob Gronkowski, My House, Von Miller. Jeez, these are rare. Patrick Queen. We've seen 2 of these in the entire 12-box case. Keep that in mind, folks. That is rare. Nice colors. Come on, be something good. Stephon Gilmore. And nice for the Cardinals, Kyler Murray. Numbered 155 of 299. DJ Dallas. Finally, for 2093, we got Baker Mayfield on the front, which is a bad sign, actually. Baker Mayfield, Juju Smith-Schuster, silver. No, it's not. CD Lamb for the Dallas Cowboys, rated rookie, and Darrell Taylor on the back. That is all from 2093.